Hi Ratik, hope you are doing well. Nice to hear that you are running your YouTube content agency. I have read your job description and I understand already you have built your Notion template and you want to some permission issues and adjust the filter section and the structure and other things. So I am available quick for consultation. By the way, I am using Notion last 4 years, so during this time I have built 400 plus Notion template, and I have a good portfolio, and I'm excited to conduct one by one Zoom call, and let's improve your current Notion structure, like how we can do that. And further, I have noticed you need some editor and manager who can manage your content agency, YouTube, etc. So I have a good editor who can help you. Thank you. Let's conduct on Zoom call and discuss further. Nice to talk to you. I am waiting your message. Thank you.